Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to EarthCast.sos.com. Tremendous news to report from Scotland's Shetland Islands, a world's first for tidal power. Nova Innovation has deployed its first fully operational array of tidal power turbines. Those massive underwater blades, tidal power turbines, are now successfully feeding electricity to local homes. The world's first operational array of tidal power turbines is situated in Blue Mull Sound between the islands of Unst and Yell in the north of Shetland, where the North Sea meets the Atlantic Ocean. Nova Innovation switched on its second of 5 100-kilowatt turbines due to be installed later this month and in early September, sending electricity to a commercial Shetland local grid. It's a breakthrough because these turbines are connected to feed the electricity grid. Open Hydro, a French company, is very close also to linking its 2 tidal machines off Brittany, northwest France, to produce 1 megawatt, a very powerful array. This new breakthrough in tidal power stations has huge potential to help power society away from climate-altering subsidized fossil fuels. Kudos to the Belgium renewables company, ELSA, that funded the Nova Innovations Shetland's tidal project. Yes! Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. EarthCast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be shy. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on that donate button. And pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, and life. The wonder of it all. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.